तो होमिओपॅथी म्हणजे कितें किंवा ताचे सो कॉल्ड कार्डिनल प्रिंसिपल हाचेर मातशें विस्कटून सांगा.
See, basically, homeopathy कितें आसता? It is a therapeutic system of medicine that is based on a law of cure called similia similibus curenta. So when you go and आमी Vedantu आसता, there are two basic principles of cure. One is the law of entities and one is the law of similars. So when a patient आता, we generally try to explain to them a basic concept as to what do they understand by law of entities and law of similars. For example, if you are feeling cold, okay, thandi lagta, and you want to feel a little warm, you might want to go and have a warm water bath.
Absolutely.
Exactly the opposite of what you're feeling.
Correct.
Gelo, now you feel good for some time.
Correct.
There is a slight relief, but once you come back out, you'll feel double cold. Because your body reacts and gives you a feeling of more sensation of cold. That is law of entities, opposite. But when it comes to law of similars, suppose you're feeling cold, you go and have a cold water bath. Initially, there's an aggravation. That's why people say initial aggravation zata. But once you come out of that cold water bath, you start feeling hot because the body has reacted to that cold water bath.
Acha.
So homeopathy is based on a system of similars. So what do I mean by similars? You have different remedies in homeopathy which are tested on healthy human beings. You give it to healthy human beings. Kite symptom produce jata. We note down all the symptoms of each remedy in detail on different in males, females, kids, and then we get a drug picture. Whenever we get patients who come with a similar drug picture, we got to match it.
Acha.
So it's like a lock and key. You use the right key, the lock is bound to open. You use the right remedy, the case is bound to get cured. So that's what it is based upon.